Hello. All right, so I am trying this flat tummy tea, honey. This is day one. I already took the gummies. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to make me a little bit of this tea, honey. We're gonna start off with the Activate, okay? So let's see. Let's see what we got here. All right. So let me move the camera up. All right. So the first step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start. Let me move this out the way. That's for the kids, honey. Now, as you can see, my stomach is a little poofy. It's day one. So let me start the stove. Get it a little high. Get the water a little high. All right. Now the instructions it says use teaspoon of Activate tea with 1 cup. I guess this is the cup, honey. So we're gonna go by the instructions. Now, guys, I'm learning along with you. So I'm assuming you gotta put the herbs inside there and then turn it and dip it inside. So we're gonna do that. First, let me guess what? We have us a teaspoon, okay? Yes. It says it right here. Okay, 1 teaspoon, 5 mLs, okay? So, go. I think you're supposed to put it inside like this. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get a little closer. Okay, so you can see what your girl doing right here. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab me. Ooh, child's a little messy. It smells like herb. Okay, I'm gonna grab me a little teaspoon, put it up in there. I guess it's supposed to be like this. But yeah, I mean, that's how I'm gonna start off. And guys, the cup is empty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until that stew or brew up or whatever, and then we're gonna add the hot water in there, and then we're gonna zip this inside. Yeah, it goes inside like that. And then it says right here, let's look. Yeah, it says let it stew for 5 to 7 minutes, then enjoy. Okay. Ooh, do we add honey? I don't know, y'all. Let me see how it tastes, though. I know those gummies taste good. All right, so let's let this get hot, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I am back, honey. And it seems like that little teapot going to start whistling, honey. So let's give it some time. Yeah, this is the AM version, and it gave me the PM version as well. So I'm taking this now. It's still morning, as you see, almost noon. But yes, it took me a while to get to this, but let's go. All right, it's looking a little hot. Some of the smoke coming out. I'm gonna go ahead and. All right, let's turn this off. It's a little hot, honey. Let me put some water up in here. Now what I want to do is add that in. Yes, it's a little hot. Yeah, add that in. And put on the top that they provided me with. It says here, it's a vacuum stainless steel top. So I'm going to put that on, honey. This looks so cute. I'm thinking about blinging this out. Yeah, I'm gonna let it sit for a while. So guys, it is 12 o'clock. I'm gonna come back at 12:07 and just give it a little taste. I'm gonna let it stew right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I let it sit for a while. It's now 12:11, and I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. So it did stew for a while, honey. Let's take this out. Okay, let's get this tea a try. Let me put this on some. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, I usually drink some tea in the morning. I need to add some honey with this. I'm sorry. I can't drink it straight, so hold on, y'all. Yes, so I'm gonna add 100% raw honey. Not too much, just a little bit. But Where's my cup? Okay. So, yeah, just a little bit. Something to get it down, ladies. Okay? Just to give it a little stir. It's still a little bit left in there. And I'm going to, of course, add it. I love tea. Ooh. All right. Let's give it a taste. Not that bad at all. A little impressive. Now, I'm like really wishing that I would have tasted this without the honey because it tastes good. Yes, I could see me vibing with this. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and get my big back on. I'm going to just let it get a little whatever. And I'm going to just go in, y'all. Okay, so let me show y'all my stomach now. Oops, sorry. This is how my stomach look right now. I just woke up, but, you know, this is how I look. I'm going to put some photos up. All right, this is day 1. Okay? So let's go. All right, thanks for coming. Peace.